So this one is a first question of fourth assignment. Four units are connected in series with reliabilities. R1 is equal to 0.88, R2 equal to 0.87, R3 equal to 0.81, and R4 equal to 0.94. So if it is decided to increase the system reliability to a value 0.66, determine the reliability goal of each component. Okay, so we are asked to do the reliability allocation. So this one is a given data. So component wise, the predicted reliability is shown here. So now we are going to find the reliability goal of each component. Okay. So for that purpose, we have to find the predicted unreliability. So in the proportional method of reliability allocation, what we are assuming? We are assuming that the if the given reliability is very large, we can easily find the lambda value because r of t equal to e raised to minus lambda t. Okay, so that is equal to almost equal to 1 minus lambda t because reliability is very large. Okay, so what about that failure? The predicted unreliability or the failure of the component is equal to, actually it is equal to e raised to minus 1 minus e raised to minus lambda t. So we can write it as it is almost equal to lambda t. So we are going to write that predicted unreliability. So that is equal to, for example, the predicted unreliability of first component is 1 minus 0.88. The predicted unreliability of second component is 1 minus 0.87. The predicted unreliability of third component is 1 minus 0.81. The predicted unreliability of fourth component is 0.94. So this is first component 0.12. Then for second component 1 minus 0.87, 0.13. For third component 1 minus 0.81, that is 0.19. For fourth component 1 minus 0.94, that is 0.06. Now we are going to find the predicted unreliability of the system, that is equal to the sum of predicted unreliability of individual components. So add all these four together, 0.12 plus 0.13 plus 0.19 plus 0.06. So the predicted unreliability of the system is equal to 0.50. Okay, we are adding 0.12 to 0.00. So we have 0.50. So the predicted unreliability is 0.50. Now, what is, by using this, we are going to find the failure allocation. Okay, we are going to find the failure allocation of the system. So what is the desired system reliability? What is the reliability goal of the system? 0.66, right? So by using that 0.66, we are going to find the failure allowance. So the reliability goal of the system is RS star is equal to 0.66. So what is the failure allowance or the probability of failure of the desired system is lambda S star is equal to 1 minus R star, that is equal to 1 minus 0.66, that is equal to 0.34. So the failure allowance of the system is 0.34. Okay. Now by using this 0.34 and the predicted unreliability 0.50, we are going to find the failure allowance of each system, each component. So the failure allowance of the first component is lambda 1 star, that is equal to lambda S star, that is 0.34, divided by lambda S, that is 0.50, into lambda 1. Lambda 1 is the predicted unreliability of first component. So we have 0.34 divided by 0.5 into 0.12, the first component, 0.12. So this is equal to 0.0816. So the failure allowance of the first component is 0.0816. Now for second component, lambda 2 star is equal to lambda S star divided by lambda S into lambda 2. So you can see that this bracket is same, it is not changing. So that is equal to 0.34 divided by 0.5 into 0.13. So that is equal to 0.0884. So this lambda 2 star is equal to 0.0884. Now lambda 3 star is equal to lambda s star divided by lambda s into lambda 3, that is equal to 0.34 divided by zero point 0.5 into 0.19. So that is equal to 0.1292. So lambda 2 star is equal to 0.1292. Now lambda 4 star is equal to lambda s star divided by lambda s into lambda 4. So that is equal to 0.34 divided by 0.5 into 0.06. So that is equal to 0.0408. So we have the failure allowance of each component. So by using the failure allowance of each component, we can find the reliability goal of each component. So the reliability goal of each component is 1 minus failure allowance. So the reliability goal of first component is 1 minus 0.0816, that is equal to 0.9184. Reliability goal of second component is 1 minus 0.0884, that is equal to 0.9116. Reliability goal of third component is 1 minus 0.1292, that is equal to 0.8708. Reliability goal of fourth component is 1 minus 0.0408, that is equal to 0.9592. So this one is the reliability goal of each component.